And 300 kilo, what's your direction?
The only good thing about going out of Martinsburg.
Number 3, Whiskey Sierra, runway 35, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 353, sir.
All right.
Good flight,
Extra
Gabe.
boost.
Thank you.
Research Tower, Scavengers 224, 9 miles west of the airport, inbound.
Scavengers 224, numerous going to the northwest, make left traffic, runway 35.
Make left traffic, runway 35, and we're looking for the traffic, Scavengers 224.
Traffic.
I'm sorry, who's looking to taxi right now?
Traffic.
All right.
November
We got runway 35.
Papa, Leesburg,
Confirm.
runway 35, taxi
Pistol
down, what's your direction,
full
flight?
power.
Roger.
These are Tower Bonanza 223, Bravo Bravo,
Yes,
we're ready
alive.
to go, runway 35.
November 223, Bravo Bravo, Leesburg ground, then you taxi up to hold short 35, you'll be next to go, might be a few minutes.
Taxi up and hold short, 3 Bravo.
Scavengers 262 and 9, Papa Charlie, there's inbound Cessna about 8 miles northwest of the airport for left traffic.
Traffic.
F5's coming up.
November 3, Whiskey Sierra, contact departure.
Over departure, 3 Sierra, good day.
See ya.
And good morning, departure Cirrus 3 Whiskey Sierra's off Leesburg, 700 up to 3, head 300.
Number 3, Whiskey Sierra's radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000, altimeter 3046.
Up to 5,000, 3046, 3 Sierra.